Everyone, this is Brad. Did you know that the Twitter bird actually has a name? That's right, its name is Larry. Larry Bird. Cool story. Kind of hurts as a Sixers fan, but still a cool story. Today, we're going to take a look at how you could create a visited states map as well as a visited countries map. I'll include this link in the description as well as in my blog post. So you could go ahead through and just simply select the states that you've been to, or a little bit easier, if you scroll down a little bit, you can see it's in alphabetical order, and you could simply select those states. Again, you can do countries as well. You can see your map width and height as well as the colors over in here that you could reset some of the colors or change the colors. Now, when you're ready, you could grab the URL right up in here, or you could simply share your map this way or on other networks, or copy that HTML. So I created one before, so you can see the ones that I've been to, and then you can download them as PNG, JPEG, so on and so forth. So kind of a neat way to share the visited states maps, those visited states that you've been to. So there you go. If you do have any questions, please reach out. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.